Hi, I am Dr. Reginald from Hyderabad, plastic surgeon. I came down to Kolkata to Dr. Bain's clinic to see Dr. Bain's work and surgery to learn from him. I think I'm one of the lucky person to be here to learn so much of surgery and surgical techniques, particularly from sir. He has explained us thoroughly about breast augmentation reduction, everything related to breast surgeries.
Hello, I am Dr. Rito, practicing plastic surgeon in Kolkata. I have heard a lot about Dr. Bain and his clinic, but have not got a chance till now to see him personally. But I got 2 days chance of learning about all aspects of cosmetic breast surgery, and I want to convey the message that if you are really interested in cosmetic breast surgery, should visit Dr. Bain and see how he is working. Thank you.
And I highly recommend people who want to learn to come down to this place so that you can learn.
Hi, I am Dr. Pritam Das. I am from Agartala. I attended a workshop of Jayantabain Sir's clinic. Sir has explained nicely about the aesthetic breast surgery procedure, all aspect, practical aspect, digital marketing, everything Sir has explained. Basically, in our residency, we are not getting so much exposure of this on aesthetic surgery. Basically, we are focusing on the reconstructive surgeries only. So, after completing residency, we are facing problem about when patients are coming for the aesthetic surgery. So, after attending the workshop of Sir's clinic, I learned so much about that aesthetic breast surgery and cosmetic surgery procedure thoroughly, and it will help in our future for further development of our future practice. So, thank you, Bain sir, for your teaching.
I am Dr. Praveen. I'm currently practicing in Kochi. I'm a plastic surgeon, and I met Dr. Jayanta sir just 1 month back. One thing I noticed about sir is that he's very generous. He is very eager to share the knowledge that he possesses and the experience that he has. So this is a very unique thing with sir. So as soon as I saw the brochure in one of these groups, WhatsApp groups, regarding this workshop, I straight away clicked it and I joined for this. And this was really a truly enriching experience. The 2 days were totally worth it. I saw various procedures of breast augmentation, gynecomastia, and also breast reduction, and learnt various nuances, finer concepts in these surgeries. And sir was, as I told earlier, he was very generous in explaining everything to us in a very linear way in which we could understand. A lot of hands-on experience as well, because he allowed us to scrub in with him in the procedures and allowed us to operate in the key steps. So I'm really thankful for everything, sir.
Hi, I'm Dr. Reshma and I'm from Chennai. This is one of the best workshops that I've attended so far, where I was able to scrub in with sir and see the cases, and he even let us know every single detail, how to go, all the not the tricks and tricks of the trade actually. And here we were able to see transgender top surgeries, breast augmentations in females, and breast reduction. And not just that, sir explained to us any doubts and queries that we wanted to ask, even unrelated to the present surgery. We had something popping up in our mind. He has always been forthcoming and telling us everything that he knew. And even though he's so much senior to us, we always felt comfortable enough to talk to him and ask him, because we didn't feel scared in his presence, because he is always such a humble and down-to-earth person. And it's amazing that he let us all come here and he's teaching us. So thank you so much, sir.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mahalakshmi. I'm practicing in Mumbai. So the first thing what I was thinking was, will it be like any other workshop wherein there'll be some 20 people seated in a room, and it'll be an online workshop wherein the workshop will be going on, and the consultant, we won't be able to see the consultant directly in the workshop. So the first thing what happened was, when I just entered in, I suddenly saw a person coming from behind and told that I'm Dr. Jayant. And then I felt so happy seeing that one plastic surgeon who has been conducting workshops, or who has started to conduct workshops, coming directly to us and talking to us in person and explaining to us each and every detail. And he showed us everything, including how a basic aesthetic clinic should be set up, and almost all the details, whatever he knew, he was able to share with us, and he was very kind-hearted in sharing that with us. And apart from that, he made sure that each one of us have been washing up for all of the cases, and teaching us, like he just held our hands, and he was a person who was a teacher teaching like a small child teaching ABCD. He was teaching us in that way and helping us and explaining us everything possible. And I think the 2 days of travel, whatever is there from Bombay to Kolkata, it was very worthy and very, very useful. And I would be very happy if sir keeps conducting workshops like this. And not only breast aesthetic, I want to learn more from sir regarding other aesthetic procedures such as abdominoplasty as well. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
So friends, this was our second breast workshop. Yesterday we did a gynecomastia surgery, a transgender augmentation, a normal female augmentation. There was 3 cases. And today we are done female augmentation, vaginoplasty, and now we will be doing a breast reduction. This was the second time I was conducting a breast aesthetic surgery workshop in Kolkata, and I can see there are 10 participants coming different part of our country. And what I have learned till today, I have tried to share all of my experiences, and I have tried to encourage these young plastic surgeons to start their breast surgery practice, because it is very true that during our residency in MCH or in DNB we get most of the reconstructions. So breast aesthetic surgery is not touched in our training period, and when you in practice you get lot of patients of breast surgery, but sometimes because of lack of your expertise or experience or practical knowledge, sometimes you get fearful that what to do and what not to do. I'll in future also I'll be definitely conducting this type of workshop. It is true that only by 2 days you cannot learn all things about breast surgery, but it is also true that you can see 4 to 5 cases in 2 days. So you just get a good comprehensive knowledge and an idea what to do and not to do with this type of cases. So I welcome you all in the future workshops. I am thankful to them also for coming to this workshop.